Hi everyone! Today we want to introduce you to a business intelligence tool called Sigma to manage and analyze your data. Let's say you sell products and you want to find insights from the data you have. First, Sigma allows you to work with a spreadsheet. Want to group products by type? Easy. Want to sort orders by date? Easy. Want to add a new column and apply a formula? Easy. This is only a small part of what you can do with Sigma computing. It's time to visualize data and find out important stats for the business. Group orders by store states, apply a formula to sum the revenue, and yay! You can use this to draw a map with the US states and display the revenue for each state. Another example, group orders by a product family, apply a formula to sum the revenue, and new data insight. You can see that most revenue was generated from the hobbies and creative arts category, with 78 million in total. If you want to know more info about Sigma or need more help, contact us, GrowFlow. We're official Sigma partners.